Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to the great start of the beginning of the week here on Monday, January 13th of 2020. And here are our morning announcements for today. We do have an early dismissal day happening this week that will happen on Wednesday at 1:05. So boys and girls, please remind your parents that early dismissal is happening this Wednesday. For our January birthday for today, on January 13th, we have Antonio Ramirez. So happy birthday to you, Antonio. Hope you have a great day today. And your lunch choices for today would be chicken nuggets with Cheez-Its, grilled cheese, or turkey and cheese sandwich. And our paws are brought to us by 4th grade today. And I'll have that kick off about what they're going to be sharing with our pause expectations.
All right, boys and girls, it is time for our pause, and we have some students here from Mrs. Williams' 4th grade class to talk about expectations, what you should be doing during PE class.
Listen to the PE teacher when he's talking. Stay at a steady pace. Don't be loud in the gym.
Good advice. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much, fellas. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. And at this time, please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, fellas, and everybody have a great start of the beginning of the week, so make it a good one. Make sure that you're practicing all your positive pause expectations, and try to do your very best on everything you do this week. Have a wonderful day.